Hello everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Thank you for coming and watching this video. Today I was just show you how important it is to connect your Power BI and your Claude AI using the VS codes. And of course, I'll be showing you briefly where you can download the Power BI desktop and also the VS code and also your Claude AI. This is very, very important. Of course, this is to tell you that those days of cracking your head to write difficult DAX formulas is over. So AI is now doing the work for you and doing it very effectively. So today I'll just be showing you how this is important, and we'll be doing some little prompting here and there to show you how smooth the interaction is. But of course, I'll be bringing you another video on how to actually do this connection. So pay attention and just stay close to this video. I'll be uploading that video soon. But for now, just see how important this is.
So there are three tools that I have open here on my desktop. I have the Power BI desktop, I have the VS Code opened, and then I have my Claude AI opened. Remember, these are desktop versions. How can you get the desktop versions? Just go to your Microsoft Store, click that button, and you will be able to download safely from the Microsoft Store. There are two things you are going to be downloading from the Microsoft Store. You are going to be downloading your Power BI desktop from the Microsoft Store, and then once you are done with your Power BI desktop, you see here you would find install, and you click this button, allow it to do its work. It will download naturally and go into your system. And then also here you will also look for the VS Code. All these are all Microsoft products. Okay, so the VS Code helps to create that relationship between Claude AI and your Power BI desktop. So this is the VS Code, that's the logo. Make sure you install as well. Okay, once all this is done, there are things that will make you know that you have downloaded them. So if I come here and I go to my search here and I go to VS Code, I write that up, you see that it appears here. That shows that I have it on my local machine. That is where I launched it. And then also you have your Power BI here. Once you click that, you would see it appear here on your local machine. So we have those two software installed. I have connected my VS Code with my Power BI with my Claude AI. So I'm going to go to Claude AI. I'll open my Claude AI. What is the proof that I have connected these tools? I'll come here to my name here, username, and I go to setting, and then I go to developer here, and you see it says Power BI modeling MCP running. So that means that it's proof that these tools are connected. Now I will ask Claude AI a simple question, right? Can you connect to my Power BI desktop file? I'll just go there and I click. One rule of thumb: make sure that your Power BI is open and that data has been loaded in. While Claude AI is giving us that response, let me take you through my Power BI. Here I have the table view where I have three tables. Okay, these tables runs from division, subdivisions, boys, girls, etc. You see here. So what I want to do is I want to consolidate. Okay, I want to bring these three tables to one so I can be able to analyze. Okay, and this is a whole lot of task. If we have to write DAX formulas on our own, it's going to be so difficult. So because we have connected our Power BI with Claude AI using the VS Code, we are going now to be discussing with Claude AI. Claude AI is going to be going in here and doing this job for us. So I just wanted to take you through the table view. Let's go back to the report view, and here you see that we have just three tables, right? Perfect. But let's first of all go back and see what Claude is giving us. So Claude say I can connect to Power BI desktop through the modeling tool. Let me check for any Power BI desktop instance currently. Okay, so it says found one. Wow, Power BI desktop instance running locally with the window title Power BI. So this is the name I titled my Power BI desktop on my local machine. So let me connect to it. So now Claude AI has connected. So what would you like to do with it? So now I want to ask Claude AI to consolidate the three tables to one while keeping the three tables. You see, consolidate the three tables to one while still keeping the three tables. Now I'll send that. So I want to see what happens. So Claude AI is now communicating and working within my Power BI desktop because I have connected both tools together, so using the VS Code. So in another video I'll be showing you how to do this connection. I just wanted to show you how important it is to start learning some of these AI tools. They are really good. So there's a whole lot of DAX you can write, you see, so it's very important. So you see that it says explore the model structure, tables, measures, relationships, run DAX query, etc. So now I'm doing some kind of relationship because I'm consolidating different tables to one. Okay, so let me instead get an overview of the whole model via TMPDL export, which will show all tables at once. So that is what Claude AI is doing. So let's stay calm, and then we come back and see what Claude AI has done. So we are right here. You see the analysis that Claude AI has given done. Here's what happened in your Power BI desktop model. Okay, so these are the three tables: union, and then the BLM, manual, etc. So there's a whole lot that has been created there to create that table. Okay, let's go back to our Power BI. You saw that we didn't do anything, right? So that is it, guys. That is it. So Claude AI did that single-handedly without any manipulation from my end. So I'm going to go back to our table view here, and then let's see what we have. You see that there's a consolidation. You see, there's a consolidation. So this table plus this table plus this table has been brought to one table here. You see, perfect. And this table has been named all divisions. Now let me go back to our report view. I want to go back to Claude AI, and I tell Claude AI that use the all division table and design a DAX formula of percentages of children across divisions, right? Across divisions, across divisions. Now why am I using across divisions? Because when you look at our table here, if I go back there, you would see that, this is the measure or the DAX that Claude AI created for us, which we saw there. If I go back, you will see this measure. You see it says union, BLM, comma. So if we were to write this formula, this is what we're supposed to write. So you see that Claude AI did for us and then created us a new table. Now, if I go back to my table view here, you would see that I'm asking Claude AI now to give me percentages of children across these different divisions. Okay? I was supposed to write a DAX formula, right? But I'm not going to do that. Claude AI will do that for me. So I'll just come here while I've use the all division table and design a DAX formula of percentage of children across divisions, and I send back and I send that in my system. And I just wait. All I need to do is just wait, and Claude AI is doing the job for me because there's a connection that I've just done. Okay, let's verify it by evaluating it breakdown divisions. So you see what Claude AI is doing. So that is the DAX formula that has been created. This is powerful, guys. This is so powerful. It gives us an analysis. The BLM already gives us what we are going to be seeing. That in the BLM we are going to be seeing the total children is 85, but out of this we have it is 34.1%. The other in manual is 81, and so it gives us a really detailed what we are going to be seeing in our data. Now, if I come here, all I need to do is to just copy this DAX formula. But there's another way I can do it. I can just go right away and I would see that under my all divisions table, there is a measure or there is a DAX that has been created. So if I go now to my table view, to my my report view, and then I click that percentage of children, you see that I can start analyzing this data. I can use a small table here, and I go by the divisions. Perfect. You see that it gives me here. I can decide to use a visual to show this, okay? And I can go ahead and start analyzing and creating, making the visual more appealing, etc., etc. So this is the power of Claude AI and connecting it with your Power BI. Now I can just rush back very quick. I can rush back very quick to my Claude AI, and then I ask Claude AI the same question, right? I can just go copy this question, and then I come here and I paste it here, and I say design a formula, instead of percentage, give me average, no percentage again, of IDP, okay, of IDPs across divisions, and I click that. So it will go into my data points and check and focus on the column of IDPs. Same pattern, this time based on the IDP column. Let's add it. So it wants to add that data, right? So it comes down and it creates. So this is normally the DAX that Power BI we're supposed to be writing in Power BI. Okay, this is the DAX. You see, percentage of IDPs. We go up here, we find percentage of total children. So it's going specifically in that data and giving us those percentages. We can look for averages, etc. Just tell your Claude AI what you want from the data. Now, if we rush back to our Power BI, and then you would see down here that we have another percentage of IDP out of that data as per the different divisions. Okay, this is very, very powerful. This is very, very powerful and important. And then also, if you look at our Claude AI here, there's a whole lot. There's another way I can do this. I can copy this DAX formula and then come here to my Power BI, and then see what I can do. I can go to that table view and I click there, and it says new measure, and I click. Once I click my new measure, all I need to do is come and paste, Control V, and I paste this formula that I just copied from my Claude AI. And once I do this, it shows that it is well, and then I click this tick here. So it says replace measure. Yes, I want to replace the measure. I want to replace the measure. Of course, I want to replace it because it's the same thing, right? I'm just showing you another way of doing it. So Power BI is insisting that it's the same measure I had created, which is okay. So this is how you can start creating formulas within your data set using answering any complex question that is coming your way in your workplace or in your job site. Thank you very much for now, and over.
Thank you all so much for watching this video. Of course, we'll be doing a practical and physical training. We'll be announcing that training soon. If you're interested in learning how to manage data using Power BI, Excel, and Kobo Toolbox, write down below. And of course, when it's time, we are going to take you along with us physically on our studio and show you how to practically manage data. Let's go. Thank you.